Hi, my name's John, one of the technical trainers at the Viessmann Training Academy. Today we're going to have a look at the defrost cycle on the Vitocal 150 and the 151 air source heat pump. During the winter, when temperatures drop below 6 degrees, the ambient air can become saturated and begin to condense on the back of the evaporator. Our Vitocal 150 and 151 air source heat pump will automatically initiate a defrost cycle to melt all that ice. As you can tell, all the ice has been melted on the back of the evaporator during the defrost cycle. We've sped this up because this can take between 2 and 9 minutes. For the defrost to function correctly, there has to be a minimum of 1,000 litres an hour of flow rate between indoor and the outdoor unit. If for any reason the flow rate drops below 1,000 litres an hour, then you'd be looking for a hydraulic restriction between the indoor and the outdoor pipework. This could be the inline filter, which is located in the outdoor unit. So, how does a defrost cycle work? The Vitocal 150 and the 151 has a 4-way hydraulic valve located inside the indoor unit. This will move to the defrost position for a duration of 3 to 5 minutes. This allows the internal 16-litre buffer vessel to be heated to a calculated temperature for the defrost to be initiated. Once the buffer has reached that calculated temperature, then the refrigerant cycle will be reversed, utilising the 4-way reversing valve located in the outdoor unit. This will send high pressure, high temperature refrigerant straight to the evaporator, which will melt all the ice on the back of the outdoor unit. During the defrost cycle, you will observe ice melting, creating water vapour from the outdoor unit. The fans will stop running to accelerate that melting of ice. Once the defrost cycle is completed, your heat pump will then revert back to heating mode. Depending on the siting of the heat pump and weather conditions, a defrost cycle will sometimes need that little bit more additional energy to fully melt the ice. The Vitocal 150 and the 151 has a 3-stage additional heater located inside the indoor unit, which will contribute towards the energy needed to complete a full defrost. We recommend that on installation that all 3 stages are wired to allow for all future eventualities. I hope you found this video useful, and please look out for more on the Viessmann installer channel. Thank you.